How to change download location on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change download location on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, by default, download location is set to your on my phone. So if you are downloading using your any browser, it will automatically save on your on my phone. So for that, you'll have to just open the file manager on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the file manager in the browse section, you will be able to see all of the location on your iPhone. So from here by default, that downloaded videos or files will be saved on your on my iPhone. And now from here you can easily find the folder of that browser and like Chrome or Safari. So from there you can easily find the downloaded files, and from there you can easily copy and paste that files from your own location to another. Although you can also change the download location from your browser. So for that you'll have to just open any browser, and after you open the browser, you'll have to go the option three dots just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here swipe right and go the option settings. Okay, so from here scroll down and go the options like download. Okay, so from this section, if you get options like choose location on here, you can easily go that options like choose location, and after you go that option, you'll be able to use your iCloud Drive or your on my phone. So after you choose that, you'll be easily able to change the download location on your browser. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.